The job description of a safety manager focuses on developing, implementing, and overseeing workplace safety programs that protect employees, visitors, and company assets from hazards or risks. Safety managers play a crucial role in ensuring that organizations comply with occupational health and safety regulations while fostering a culture of safety awareness. They work across various industries, including construction, manufacturing, logistics, and healthcare, to prevent workplace accidents, conduct safety inspections, and provide training on safe practices. A safety manager is responsible for identifying potential hazards, analyzing risks, and creating effective safety protocols. This involves conducting thorough site assessments, reviewing safety equipment, and ensuring that all employees understand the necessary procedures for maintaining a safe environment. At the heart of the job description of a safety manager is the goal of minimizing workplace incidents while improving overall health and safety standards. In addition to managing day-to-day safety concerns, safety managers work closely with management teams to develop long-term strategies for reducing risks. They often act as advisors to executives and supervisors, providing guidance on best practices, legal compliance, and emergency preparedness. By integrating safety measures into company policies and operational processes, safety managers help organizations operate more efficiently while protecting both employees and customers. Core responsibilities of a safety manager. One of the primary responsibilities of a safety manager is conducting regular safety inspections and audits. These assessments help identify unsafe conditions or practices that could lead to accidents or injuries. Safety managers review equipment, facilities, and work procedures to ensure they align with regulatory standards such as OSHA, Occupational Safety and Health Administration, or other industry-specific guidelines. Another key duty is developing and implementing safety policies and programs. Safety managers create detailed procedures for accident prevention, emergency response, and hazard control. They also draft safety manuals, signage, and training materials that guide employees in maintaining safe work practices. These programs often include protocols for fire safety, chemical handling, and proper use of personal protective equipment, PPE. Training employees is a major part of the role. Safety managers organize workshops, orientation sessions, and drills to educate staff on how to recognize hazards and respond appropriately to emergencies. For example, they might conduct fire evacuation drills or teach workers how to operate machinery safely. Effective training reduces risks and ensures compliance with safety standards. Investigating accidents and incidents is another critical responsibility. When workplace accidents occur, safety managers analyze the situation to determine the root cause and recommend corrective actions. They prepare detailed reports and collaborate with supervisors to prevent similar incidents from happening in the future. Accident investigations may also involve coordinating with insurance providers or regulatory agencies. Safety managers are also tasked with maintaining accurate records of safety activities, including inspection reports, injury logs, and compliance documents. These records are essential for regulatory audits and help track the effectiveness of safety initiatives over time. Midway through these duties, the job description of a safety manager emphasizes collaboration. Safety managers often work alongside human resources teams, engineers, and department heads to integrate safety considerations into every aspect of operations. They also act as liaisons between employees and senior management, ensuring that safety concerns are addressed promptly. Skills required for a safety manager. To excel as a safety manager, individuals need a combination of technical expertise, analytical thinking, and leadership abilities. A thorough understanding of occupational health and safety regulations is essential. Safety managers must be familiar with standards such as OSHA, ISO 45001, or other industry-specific safety frameworks, depending on their field. Communication skills are critical. Safety managers must explain complex safety procedures in simple terms that all employees can understand. They also need to write clear policies, reports, and training materials. Strong presentation skills are important for leading training sessions or addressing large groups of employees. Analytical and problem-solving abilities are necessary for assessing risks and finding effective solutions. Safety managers must evaluate accident trends, conduct root cause analysis, and identify ways to reduce risks. This requires attention to detail and the ability to think critically under pressure. Leadership and interpersonal skills play a key role in influencing workplace culture. Safety managers need to inspire employees to follow safety guidelines consistently. They often lead safety committees, mediate disputes regarding safety practices, and encourage teamwork to create a safer work environment. Time management is another vital skill. Safety managers juggle multiple responsibilities, from inspections and training to reporting and compliance monitoring. They must prioritize tasks effectively to ensure all safety requirements are met. Technical knowledge is also important. Depending on the industry, safety managers may need expertise in hazardous materials handling, ergonomics, fire protection systems, or heavy equipment safety. Familiarity with safety software tools and data analysis programs is an added advantage. Work environment and challenges. The work environment of a safety manager varies widely depending on the industry. In construction or manufacturing, safety managers spend much of their time on site, inspecting equipment, observing processes, and identifying hazards. In office-based roles, they may focus more on policy development and administrative tasks, although site visits are still common. One of the main challenges in this role is fostering a strong safety culture. Employees may sometimes overlook safety protocols to save time or increase productivity. A safety manager must balance operational efficiency with rigorous safety standards while encouraging workers to adopt safe habits willingly. Another challenge is staying updated with ever-changing safety regulations. Compliance requirements can differ between states, industries, and international locations. Safety managers must constantly monitor new laws and adapt company policies to remain compliant. Handling emergencies is another high-pressure aspect of the job. Safety managers must remain calm and decisive during incidents such as fires, chemical spills, or workplace injuries. Their quick thinking and preparedness can make a significant difference in preventing further harm. Despite these challenges, the role is highly rewarding. Safety managers contribute directly to the well-being of employees and the success of the organization. By reducing workplace accidents, they not only save lives but also help companies avoid costly fines, legal issues, and downtime. Qualifications and career path. Most safety manager positions require a bachelor's degree in occupational health and safety, environmental science, engineering, or a related field. Some employers also accept candidates with extensive experience in safety roles, even if they do not hold a formal degree. Certifications such as Certified Safety Professional, CSP, Occupational Health and Safety Technician, OHST, or Construction Health and Safety Technician, CHST, are highly valued. Experience in risk assessment, accident investigation, and safety training is essential. Many safety managers start their careers as safety officers, coordinators, or supervisors before moving into managerial positions. Career advancement opportunities include roles such as Senior Safety Manager, Health and Safety Director, or Compliance Officer. With additional expertise, safety managers can transition into consulting roles or work for regulatory bodies. Conclusion. The job description of a safety manager highlights a role dedicated to safeguarding people, equipment, and operations through effective risk management and safety protocols. From conducting inspections and implementing policies to training employees and investigating incidents, safety managers play an integral role in creating safer workplaces. Their work requires a blend of regulatory knowledge, leadership, and analytical skills. A safety manager not only ensures compliance with legal standards but also promotes a culture of care and responsibility among employees. For individuals who are detail-oriented, proactive, and passionate about protecting others, a career as a safety manager offers both challenges and fulfillment. It is a role that makes a tangible difference by preventing accidents, improving workplace conditions, and supporting organizational success.